Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link a cell phone to a smart TV. Connecting your phone to your television opens up a world of possibilities, from sharing photos and videos to streaming your favorite content on a larger screen. We'll go over two primary methods: screen mirroring and casting. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to effortlessly bridge the gap between your small screen and your big screen, enhancing your viewing experience significantly. Screen mirroring duplicates your phone's entire display onto your smart TV. First, navigate to your TV's settings and enable its mirroring function, often called Screen Share or Miracast. On your phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, look for a similar feature like Smart View or Screen Mirroring in your Quick Settings or Control Center. Select your TV from the discovered devices. Remember, both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi network for this to work seamlessly, typically within a range of 10 meters. Casting is a fantastic way to send specific content, like a video from YouTube or a movie from Netflix, to your smart TV without mirroring your entire phone screen. Many popular streaming applications have a built-in cast icon, which looks like a small TV with a Wi-Fi signal. Simply tap this icon within the app and then choose your smart TV from the list. Your phone then acts as a remote control, allowing you to browse and manage playback while still using your phone for other tasks. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are simple solutions. Always double-check that both your phone and smart TV are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. A quick restart of both devices can often resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure both your phone's operating system and your TV's firmware are up to date for the best compatibility. If wireless methods prove challenging, a physical HDMI adapter can provide a reliable wired connection, offering a consistent and high-quality viewing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.